How to find push notifications settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find push notifications settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click this profile here, and after you click on it, click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and scroll down until you find push notifications, and after you find it, just click on it, and as you see here you will find push notification settings, and that's it. Just manage here until you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.